Hello everyone. Check out my beautiful new gift. I just want to tell you about it. One of my gorgeous clients, friends from Victoria in Australia sent this to me. She'd lost me for a while, lost contact, and found me on YouTube again and heard me talking about my mum passing. So she sent me this with just a beautiful card and a beautiful thought. And she bought it from Tamborine Mountain, which is in Mum's part of the world. You know, she was mayor of Shire councillor, and Tamborine Mountain is the back steps from where I grew up. It's sort of like just this beautiful part of the world. And this was made, it's a clear quartz. It's a clear quartz. So, and we know about quartz, it helps to expand beautiful, fantastic energies. So when you see me wearing this with pride, it's just from a gorgeous part of the world and a gorgeous human being. Thank you so much, Liz. And I've sort of, today I've been thinking about breath work, and someone said just recently in a podcast, if we own our breath, no one can steal your peace. If you own your breath, no one can steal your peace. And I've been thinking about that all day, and it feels very true to me with where we're sitting on the planet, all the fear and anxiety. It makes our breath really shallow. The fear and anxiety, frustration, anger, it steals away your peace. Shortens the breath. We only breathe in that upper third of our lungs, which keeps us in anxiety, keeps us in trauma, keeps us in fear. And we recycle those hormones at that time rather than allowing that peace to emanate in our lives. And I was sort of thinking, it's been such a transformative time on the planet the last 2 years. So many people are finding themselves thinking about things in a different way now than they were 2 years ago. It's been really interesting watching, which direction and path people are taking, and with whatever they do, whatever choices they're making. So it's been very, very interesting, and I think what I want to do for this balance today is work on transformation, allowing us to own transformation in whatever form that is taking for you. For me, and I know I've said this before, but and now we're the second year into this whole thing, or the third year into this whole thing. So around mid-2020, I sort of thought, oh, okay, I'm never going to get to travel again. By October 2020, I thought, oh, right, maybe at some stage I'll never get to leave Queensland again. And it just feels like the screws were tightening. And I just keep sort of coming back into my little world, making it okay, making it feel as this is the way it's meant to be at the moment. That's okay. It's okay. Whatever will be, will be. Let go and let God, just trust in the higher power, trust in that soul energy, trust in the light, trust in the energy, that the good energy is expanding on the planet. The negative energy is so dense. There's lots of it, but it's dense. It doesn't spread in the same way that light and love and expansion and goodness and kindness does. So, the balance is going to be about transformation. Okay, let's get into it. Thanks, guys.